Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round! And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Question somebody left to start with Andrew in Ohio. Andrew.
Jimmy, chill.
Yo!
I know you just took a nice vacation, man, but imagine that vacation in space. You've been historically hesitant on Virgin Galactic, but now that they've hired Cole Glazier as CEO, they got big hopes of owning the space tourism industry and point-to-point hypersonic travel. You ready to get on board this rocket ship?
Look, I think that this is one of those great speculative stocks of all time. I mean, you're either going to get like 50 or you're going to get like 10. And I like those odds. Let's go to Rick in Illinois. Rick.
Sir James of Cramerdom, how art thou?
I am fine. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm living the dream, thanks.
No, you can't because that's my dream. You're in my dream, man. Go ahead. It's like a Stephen King novel. Yes. Go ahead.
Well, you're now a knight of the round table. And Sir James, I know you've got your cloud king and your cloud princes, and I'm hoping you can anoint Kingsoft Cloud Holdings into that group.
Kingsoft is a Chinese company. And I don't really like a lot of the Chinese companies other than Alibaba. And I am being so diplomatic, I might as well be playing ping pong with Joe and Lai. Let's go to Megan in Florida. Megan.
Hi, Jimmy Chill. I know my dad's watching right now, so hi, Dad. But I was wondering if I should hold Fastly through their earnings in the first week of August.
Yeah, I think Fastly's a really unbelievable company. Now, I wish the stock hadn't run so much. But we had them on, and I was kind of blown away about how they're democratizing the Internet. I like that company very much. If I were the president of the United States, I'd reach out to them and say, how do we get this thing cooking? Let's go to Vincent in Georgia. Vincent.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
How you doing, buddy?
Actually, my daughter's in town. Pretty good. How about you?
Oh, you're doing great. I'm doing great, Jim. Well, you're talking to a novice beginning investor.
Okay.
And last week I bought a few shares of U.S. Steel.
Okay.
And I'd like to hear your feedback on that. And
well,
also,
the
Jim,
problem, they got that bad balance sheet, Vincent. They got that bad balance sheet, and there's no coming back from a bad balance sheet in this market. I'm not going to tell you to sell it because it's all the way down there. But we want to buy those high quality companies. I mean, I'm talking about buying companies like the J&Js with the best balance sheet on earth. That's where we start. I mean, we just buy a few shares of that one. That's the best way. Let's go to Josh in New York. Josh.
Jimbo.
Yo.
How's it going?
Good day.
I'm calling about Anheuser-Busch. I'm concerned about their growing pile of debt. So
well,
what's
you
your
should
long-term
be.
prognosis?
We used to call those cement heads back in my day. No, you don't want Anheuser-Busch. I mean, first of all, beer's kind of going out of style. You can own Boston beer. I know. It's going to be a great quarter. Everybody they all like they like the White Claw. I'm more concerned that three months from now, Constellation's going to be big. But no, we're not going to buy Bud. I had a flat Coors Light yesterday. What do you think that was about? Let's go to Renato in Florida. Renato.
Jimmy Chill.
Yo.
Sunny Florida. Booyah to ya.
I like your spirit. What's going on?
Thanks so much for taking my call. I've been a long-time follower since the days of Kudlow and Cramer.
Holy cow. Let's have a payroll tax cut. Don't worry about Social Security or Medicare. Don't pay attention. There's nothing to see here. Go ahead.
Okay, so I was looking for a speculative play, and I found this stock. I pulled the trigger. It's been below what I paid for it since the day I bought it. Do I ride out the storm or pull the plug on Zoom Infotech?
No, Zoom Info's good. I think you buy more of it. I think it's a really, really good company. I think you got horse sense. I want to go to Mike in Florida, please. Mike.
Mr. Jim, how you doing?
Pretty good. Thank you for asking. What's going on?
Sir, I have a position on Shopify, currently down 5%. I'm going on reporting next week. I don't know, should I lose
You're the only person
or...
on earth that is not up on Shopify at this very moment. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to not panic, and I want you to Shopify's The second largest platform for business in this country. I like Shopify. They're also Canadian. Is there anybody who doesn't like? I mean, I was going to go to meet them in April, but I couldn't because of this pandemic. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.